And so at the school trouble.
Which lake was it? Zurich Lake? Zurich Lake.
I think so.
They stop, they stop all the way
And
up.
eventually we go around, and then eventually we get to this little town where the ratchet rail train goes up Mount Pilatus. It's a train. Now this little train stands on its head like this. Because that's how it is. So we go up there. We go with the train, train. Yeah. Just pulls it up. High, far, really. When you get to the top, there's a beautiful restaurant. Beautiful. Go to the restaurant now, but now we've been in Switzerland for about a week. I so feel like meat, I can die. I said to them, please ask that guy there behind the counter if you can buy anything with meat in it. I don't care what it is, even grasshoppers, anything. No, but in the ferry on the way back, they sell pies. Wow, pies! Well, how come we didn't know about that? Because they have a little katak up here. Anyway, now we go down. You go down the mountain eventually. 3 cable cars from the top. 3. And you hear the cows there with the big bells. Ding, 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 ding. Eventually we come under. I don't see anything. I just need to get to that ferry. So we get to the ferry, onto the ferry. Hey, in there. Do you have pies? I hear you have pies. Yeah, I've got pies. No. Give me 3. The next one's 1 I want to. In there, whatever it costs, take out. Pay. Bite this, walk out, bite this. You know what it is? It's a Christmas pie. It's got that fruit.
That fruit, Christmas mints.
They call the cows, they've got names for the cows.
Yeah.
They're pets. They don't eat them. We stayed in pension, in a restaurant, bed and breakfast. Every night every morning you get these sliced, like pork piece, kind of bologna stuff, That's what you get.